Matariki hunga nui, matariki ahunga nui. Tēnā koutou ngā mātā waka o ngā hau e whā. Nau mai, haere mai, whakatau mai nei. Ka mihi au ki ngā waka, ka mihi au ki ngā maunga, ka mihi au ki ngā awa, ka mihi au ki ngā iwi, ka mihi au ki ngā hapu, me ngā whānau. Nō reira, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa. Welcome once again. Maybe you've already seen something like this on the other channels, but welcome to our closed group page that I've opened. Hoping to open this evening. It's 6:30 on the night I wanted to open it. It's Thursday, a week before June. And even though Matariki is further on, I've called the kaupapa Matariki Reset. What it's about for me, or what it has been about for me for some time, is just that word, reset. Reset our metabolism, reset our goals, reset, reassess where we're at now, where we want to be. Anyway, in short, welcome. My main thing is, please, if you want fun, bring fun, be happy. I'm a one-man band. There's only me here doing this, doing the videos, doing the wānanga. But I am looking forward to sharing a wānanga with you over the next 30 days through June. Let's make a start there anyway. Yes, there's prizes. Yes, there's this, there's that. There'll be plenty of giving, but I'm also about receiving. So let's remember, when we come in, let's first of all go to the guides. I'm going to use the Matariki stars as the guides. So go to the guides. There'll be 9 guides there. It'll start with Matariki. Then that'll be like our pānui and information. So go there when you go to the guides. Follow the stars and follow the guides. And hopefully they'll bring us home like they brought us here all those years ago. Matariki. The next one is Pohutakawa. I want to use that as to remember who we are, where we came from. I'd like your first challenge to be, how about making me a little video like this? No longer than 4 minutes max, but as short as you want. Who are you? Ko wai koe. No hea koe. That's how we're remembering the past. Who are we from? What is our waka? What are our connections and our roots? Ko wai koe. No hea koe. Kei hea koe, whereabouts are you now? Tell me a little bit about what's up in your neck of the woods. Where are you? Are you here in Aotearoa? Are you in Australia? Or are you somewhere else? Let me know where you're at. And while you're there, let me know your goals or your plans for Matariki and the months that follow in the maramataka Māori, and we'll cover that in our wānanga. There'll be 4 weeks. I hope to be doing something every night. So 3 nights a week we'll be doing te reo. We'll do te reo wānanga, we'll talk about Matariki, we'll talk about the maramataka Māori, and it's just at the level that I can manage. And maybe it's in te reo, it's in bilingual for beginners. So if that sounds like you, come along. Bring yourself, your couples, your peers, or your small group, your whānau, but maybe just have a cluster of about 9. At the end, I want to get you all in there. Maybe if you're the pakeke for that group, I'd like you to introduce everyone in your group if you've got a little cluster. Some kuia, kraua, mātua parents, some tamariki and some mokopuna. Let's have a look at it as a whānau or as a little collective. Something to think about. I reckon that's about enough. I've probably already used up my 4 minutes. I'm not too sure, but that feels like enough. I feel like I've said enough. It's a place to start. So let's start by saying who we are, where we're from, where we're at now, what it's about for us, and let's see what happens after that. And let's get everyone on board, share it with others, get them on board, and we'll kick it off next week, about next Thursday, but there'll be activities that start coming up shortly. Remember to follow the stars, follow the 9 guides, and as I said, they should bring us home. I'm going to flag it there. That's enough. If you can, within your 4 minutes, how about a waiata? I'll do a short one. I don't even know how long it's taken, but too bad, this is me. And I'll see you in here. Māku rā pia, māku rā pia, māku koe e awhi e, ki te ara, ara tēpū, māku koe e awhi e. Nō reira, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa. Don't forget your video. If you could put it on landscape like this, so you can get your whole group in, that would be cool. I look forward to seeing you in there. See you over the next 30 days once we get started in June. Te hei, mauri ora.